What's up, everybody? This is 13 coming at you from a sunny, beautiful day here in Tarpon Springs, Florida, where it is 55 degrees, which as far as I'm concerned as a native Floridian is below freezing. But I just finished up this build for a 4th generation Nissan Maxima, which is 95 to 1999. Wonderful, wonderful car. I actually own 2 of them in my day, and it's nice to see that people are still commissioning headlight builds for these things, because of course, you know, the car's not worth a lot now, but the headlight builds still obviously cost a lot. But these came out fantastic. The equipment that we used here was the Morimoto Mini D2S full-size 3-inch projector assembly in there. Very large assembly. To be honest with you, if price is a factor, I would not recommend using this one. The Mini H1 will drop in much easier. This requires the nut and bolt method, which is slightly more labor intensive and therefore more expensive, but it does give you a great full-size projector in there. That is the E46R extended shroud that required a lot of trimming. I tried 2 separate shrouds before I had to go with this one. It looks really good though. I'm really pleased with the way that it came out. Also utilizing the Morimoto 2-stroke LED bulbs for the high beam location, so it'll be color matched with the ByThirteen projector there. So when you have high beams, you'll have quad high beam, which is super exciting. It's a lot of light output, and yeah, I think I ran out of things to talk about. That's it. They're awesome. Let's see, we got a boot on the back. That's the D2S seal. You'll use that goes to the ballast. This is your high beam solenoid, and then the high beam connector there. Use a Y connect to pull them together and run the relay harness, and you'll get yourself something snazzy on your 4th gen Maxima. It's pretty dope. That's all. Thanks for watching, guys. It's 13 with Superior Mobile by 13. I'll talk to you later. See ya.